and welcome to the second fast track video. In this video I'm going to show you how to make injects and how to add media content to your injects. I'm following on from the first fast track video, so if you haven't seen that one already I suggest you go back and watch it. So as you saw in the first one, I've made injects using the generate injects button. Currently they have content and they're coming from a channel. The generate injects button also creates personas, but these personas are empty. So if I navigate to here, so these are my current personas, and currently they're all empty, and by empty I mean they don't have Twitter accounts, Facebook accounts, there's no detail in their so I'm going to show you how to add detail. You can add it manually. There's also our content library Ventura. I'll show you that shortly, but right now you can see that there are some repeats. So what I'm going to do is merge the repeats. So I'm just going to drag and drop and choose which attributes I want to keep. Then I'm going to click replace at the bottom here. I don't think you can see that. So I'm going to do the same for the two social medias. Drag and drop, choose which attributes, and click replace. So now I have 4 personas, and I'm going to add content to them. So I'm going to navigate to Ventura, and do personas. So I need an environmental organisation, so I'm just going to search environmental organisations, to choose one of these. I'll do this one, and all you do is click it once and then you'll know it's downloaded because it'll come up here. And then I'm going to go back to my scenario editor and click import our downloaded file. So import from file, browse, and then select it, and then I'm just going to press select all, bring them across. Now I'm going to close import. Now I'm going to merge the personas together, so this one to here, swap that, and then here you're choosing the attributes you want to keep. Press replace. Then I'll do the same with these. With the personas, I would say an attribute to keep of the empty persona will be the job, so that you remember who this persona represents. So colleague is fine. Perfect, so now I've merged my personas together. You can see that they now have they'll have content created. If I go to the social media, there'll be historical content pre-made, and that saved me a lot of time. So now if I go back into the scenario editor, you can see that our injects now are coming from the right channel, from the right person, and they have content. So if we wanted to create an inject from scratch, you can press add inject here, and then choose one of our personas we've just made. So let's say her. So here I'm going to make a phone call, and to add audio it's the exact same method as we just did. So I'm going to go to media. So you can download audio files exactly the same way that we did with the personas, by just clicking it and pressing import from file. Another way is through URL. So I've just copied the URL of an audio file that I found in Ventura. So literally just select here and press copy, and now I'm going to go back to the scenario editor and press new from URL, and then you can paste it and add, and then you can give it an asset ID. So I'm going to say issues with tech, I think as well, and save. And now you can see our audio file is here, and it's currently got a red dot here, which means it's not used in the exercise yet. So if I go back here and then it says please add an audio, I can use this one here, press select, this will appear. Another thing to note when you're making your injects is to ensure that the timing is right. So currently this will all come at the same time at 9. So if we did 9 and then maybe this one 1 minute later, and this one 10 seconds later, so the times are adjusted now to be slightly separated from each other to add a bit of realism. Another thing I would say is when you're creating tweets and social media posts, to add comments and retweets, and this helps to ensure realism. So number of comments and retweets. Oh no, that's probably a bit too much. So once you've added a bit of influence on your tweets, if we go to Instagram, I might change this to the AI assistant to create an Instagram. So I want someone, so you don't need to write an Instagram caption, for example. It'll recognize the channel. So I want to say, and then as you can see, it's generated a caption for us. So I'm going to add some comments. Oh, yeah, that's probably fine. Right. And then I've shown you how to import from Ventura, which is fine, and from how to use the URL. You can also use the AI assistant to create images. So I'm going to say, when writing a description, it's important to be as specific as possible. So to the point where you're even talking about the camera angle. So I'm going to say a bird's eye view shot of a flooded street in summer. And the time of day, so in golden hour, let's say. Maybe this one. Oh, it looks a bit scary. Okay, so perfect. So now we have a Instagram with a caption made by the AI assistant and the media. Oh, I just want to point out as well, any channel that has text, such as the website channel, the Twitter channel, Facebook, it all has this AI assistant to help you generate content. Thank you for watching this episode of Fast Track. In the next one, I'm going to show you how to run your exercise and how to facilitate it.